Hello everyone, welcome to Dynamic Study. This is quiz class number 55 on previous year question paper. We have been discussing the question paper of December 2007, paper 2. And this is the fifth part and the last part of this series of this question paper. Today we will continue our discussion from question number 41. So let's start. Question number 41. A very famous opening line is given. I hope you all have read this poem and definitely know the correct answer. Let us go then, you and I, when the evening is spread out against the sky, like a patient etherized upon a table. In which poem do you find the lines? Option 1, Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock. Option 2, Sailing to Byzantium. Option 3, The Last Ride Together, and option 4, My Last Duchess. The correct answer is option number 1, The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock, the famous modern poem written by T.S. Eliot. Next, the prelude is written in. The Prelude, you all know, the famous autobiographical poem written by William Wordsworth, and it is subtitled as Growth of a Poet's Mind, published in 1850. So in which verse form is it written? Option 1, ottava rima, option 2, blank verse, option 3, free verse, and option 4, tarza rima. Correct option is option number 2, blank verse. Next question. In which year did T.S. Eliot receive Nobel Prize for Literature? Option 1, 1946, option 2, 1947, option 3, 1948, and option 4, 1950. The correct option is option number 3, 1948. Next question. There is a quotation. The publication of The Bubble, published in 1984, established once again that the history of Indian English fiction is from Anand to Anand. The Bubble is a lesser known work written by Mulk Raj Anand. So whose observation is it? Option 1, Dr. Atmaram. Option 2, Srinivas Iyengar, option 3, M.K. Naik, and option 4, Khushwant Singh. The correct option is option number 2, Srinivas Iyengar. Next. The heroine of Tom Jones is option 1, Estella, option 2, Sophia, option 3, Clara, option 4, Dora. The correct option is option number 2, Sophia Western is the heroine. Next. Question number 46. Mistress Hibbins is a character in option 1, The Scarlet Letter, option 2, Herzog, option 3, 100 Years of Solitude, and option 4, Farewell to Arms. The correct answer is option number 1, The Scarlet Letter by Nathaniel Hawthorne, and Mistress Hibbins is a witch in this novel. Next question. Who wrote Pilgrimage? Option 1, John Bunyan. Option 2, John Milton. Option 3, James Joyce. And option 4, Dorothy Richardson. Pilgrimage. The correct option is option number 4, Dorothy Richardson. Pilgrimage is a novel sequence published from the first half of the 20th century, and total 13 volumes is there, but Dorothy Richardson has called it chapters. Okay, so 13 volumes. It is a very huge novel, rather a series of novels, Pilgrimage. And the first novel of this series is Pointed Roots, published in 1915. The main protagonist of all these novels is Miriam Henderson. Okay, so in this novel series, Miriam Henderson is the protagonist, and the first novel of this series is Pointed Roots. And please also remember that The Pilgrimage is a novel by the Brazilian novelist Paulo Coelho, published in 1987. So the title is almost very similar. Pilgrimage is by Dorothy Richardson. This is also a series of novels, and The Pilgrimage is a single novel written by Brazilian novelist Paulo Coelho, published in 1987. So please don't get confused. You can note down all these details, right? Okay, next question. That the story is the highest factor common to all novels, and I wish it was not so. Who wrote this statement? Option 1, Virginia Woolf. Option 2, Joseph Conrad. Option 3, E.M. Forster. And option 4, James Joyce. The correct option is option number 3, E.M. Forster. It is written in aspects of the novel. Forster's famous critical work, Aspects of the Novel. So in this work he has mentioned this line. Okay. Next, question number 49. Who said life is not a series? Should be S. Life is not a series of gig lamps systematically arranged. Life is a luminous halo. Life is not a series of gig lamps systematically arranged. Life is a luminous halo. So, who said this line? Option 1, Virginia Woolf. Option 2, James Joyce. Option 3, Marcel Proust. And option 4, Dorothy Richardson. The correct option is option number 1, Virginia Woolf. She has written this statement in the work Modern Fiction. The last question is, Marcel Proust was an Englishman, a Frenchman, an Irishman, a German man. Of course, you all know the answer. The correct answer is the Frenchman. Marcel Proust was a French writer, and he is mainly famous for the work In Search of Lost Time. This is a magnificent work by Marcel Proust. It is also known as Remembrance of Things Past. So now we have completed the question paper of December 2007. This is the end of today's quiz class. I hope this video series on previous year question paper help you a lot. So please share your views in the comment section. Keep on watching Dynamic Study, keep on learning. Please like this video, share this video with your friends. We will meet very soon in our next class with another interesting video lecture. Have a nice day. Bye bye.